Welcome to Miami Business Registration. Through MiamiBiz, you can apply for a certificate of use, accessory use, and business tax receipt, as well as update information for your business. To get started, open your preferred search engine and type MiamiBiz. Once you're on the MiamiBiz homepage, select Log On to access the MiamiBiz Portal. If you already have a MiamiBiz account, enter your email address and password, then select Login. If you do not have a MiamiBiz account, select Register to create a new account. Enter your email address and create a password. Passwords must be a minimum of 6 characters. Complete the security verification and select Submit to create your account. When an applicant signs up for a MiamiBiz account, they receive a verification email that needs to be completed prior to applying. After creating your account, return to the login page and sign in using your email address and password. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Business Index page. This page displays any businesses currently associated with your account. To begin registering your business, select Add a Business. This step starts the City of Miami business registration process. Once you're on the MiamiBiz page, select the Register Now button to begin. License type and address. In the License Type section, select the type of business you'd like to register. Next, enter your business address. As you type, the system will automatically search and validate the address for you. If you notice a discrepancy or can't locate your address or unit number, please pause the application and contact the City of Miami at 305-416-1180 or email address requests@miami.gov.com before moving forward. Now, choose your business type from the drop-down menu. If your business is a registered nonprofit with a valid 501c registration, select Yes. Please keep in mind that you will be required to provide a valid 501c documentation if this option is selected. Next, indicate whether this certificate of use application is for a shell location. If you need more details, simply hover over the blue information icon. When you're ready, click Next. General Information. In the General Information section, enter the legal name of your business or corporation, along with your DBA or fictitious name, if applicable. Next, select the type of identification you'll use for your business, either an Employer Identification Number, EIN, or a Social Security number, and enter the number below your selection. You'll then be asked whether your City of Miami business tax receipt, certificate of use, or occupational license has ever been suspended or revoked. If you select Yes for the business tax receipt or certificate of use, you'll be prompted to provide a reason. Once complete, click Next. Business Details. In the Business Details section, provide your business phone number, email address, number of employees, and the total square footage of your location. Next, select your garbage hauler from the drop-down menu. In the Description of Business field, provide a detailed explanation of how you plan to use the space. Be sure to include information such as the type of services or products you'll offer, how the space will function, and any other relevant details. Next, indicate whether your business has burglar and fire alarms. Click Next to continue. Mailing information. Complete the mailing address section. If you'd like to use your business address as your mailing address, simply check the box labeled Use Business Address as Mailing Address. Click Next. Primary Emergency Contact. Enter the required personal and address information for your primary emergency contact. To add additional contacts, click the plus Add Emergency Contact button. Click Next. Business tax receipt details. Indicate whether any of your employees require an occupational license. If you select Yes, you'll need to provide the employee's full name, social security number, and upload a copy of the license. If this application is for a special event, select Yes and enter the event's start and end dates. Click Next. Business Owner and Responsible Party. In the Business Owner and Responsible Party section, indicate whether the business is a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation, and enter the owner's information. Next, indicate whether there is a responsible party other than the business owner. click Next. Certificate Agreement. On the next screen, review the certificate agreement carefully. Check the box to acknowledge that all information provided is true and correct. In the Name of Signatory field, enter your name. When ready, click Next. Certificate of Occupancy and Permits. In the Certificate of Occupancy section, indicate whether you have applied for and received an occupant load certificate. If yes, follow the instructions to upload your certificate. Next, indicate whether you have applied for or received a building permit, entitlement, or alcohol reservation letter. If yes, you'll be prompted to enter the associated permit or reference numbers and upload documentation. Click Next. Final Review and Submission. On the review screen, carefully look over all the information you've entered. If you need to make any changes, click the Edit button next to the section you'd like to update. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. What happens next? After submitting your application, you'll receive 2 emails from the City of Miami. 1. A confirmation email with your application reference number. 2. A second email with instructions and a link to pay your application fee. If you have any questions about your application, please contact the City of Miami Office of Zoning at 305-416-1495 or email MiamiZoning@miamigov.com.